How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi everyone, hi everybody. Want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family, this program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through a unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here's how Shopee affiliate programs works. First, we have sign up. Head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. So let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. First, we have no upfront investment. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have a wide range of products. With millions of products available, you have endless options to promote. Flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Here we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher you earn. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. So the first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up to the program. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to visit Shopee affiliate program by open your browser and dive into shopee.ph. PH, that means your country. Here we choose Philippines. As you can see, here we have login. You can put your phone number, username or email, then you put your password if you have an account. But if you don't, all you have to do is scroll down and sign up. You write your phone number. You can also use Facebook, Google, as you can see. You can fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or dive into the home page of Shopee. This is the home page. As you can see, here we have login. If you have an account, all you have to do is log in and find your account. Then we have sign up if you don't have an account. Here we have language. You can choose the one you want. Help, notification. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Download, start selling, seller center. We have here a lot of products, as you can see. Here we have buy and sell online on Shopee Philippines. Because we choose Philippines, here we have a lot of information, experience shopping, as you can see, enjoy special deals, sales, get free shipping on Shopee, select your payment, join in. All you have to do is read it and you will know a lot of information. Here we have customer service about Shopee, payment, follow us, Shopee app download. Let's back to the top. Then you navigate through the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then you choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like here, let's choose a mini electric fan, Crocs, scope supplies, Samba shoes, basketball precision 6, power bank, headphone, Victoria. As you can see, also we have Shopee. You can see we have BBs and kids, laptops, we have motors, home accessories, men's shoes, men's bag, accessories, sport and travel, camera, home appliance, gaming, audio. As you can see, Lavito, we have here auto, as you can see, Alaska, have a lot of things here. Now that you have chosen products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate unique affiliate link for it. So here is some example of how share affiliate links. First we have blog post, then we have Instagram story, then we have YouTube video, then we so blog post by writing a detailed review of the product and included affiliate link within the post. Instagram story we have share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a sweat up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video using a review video and include the affiliate link in the video description and mention it in the video. Here we have some types of for success. To maximize your success with the Shopee affiliate program, here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love. Focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come draw and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and create content that showcases the products effectively. And we have great engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Then we have optimize your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effectively strategies. So are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.